After you have finished coding a session or a game, if you want to use your data in another piece of software, for example in a presentation, data report from a spreadsheet, or to link to a video in a sports analysis application, you can do so by using the export function in Nodiant. Here's how you do that. First, find and open the event you want to export. Once open, click on the Export button in the top right. There are 3 easy ways to export your data from here. If you are sending it to another Apple device, you can use AirDrop. You can send an email with the data linked as attachments. Or you can save the files on your device for later use. It is a good idea to create a new folder to keep your exported files in. The 3 exported files are an image screenshot of your data, a CSV file that can be imported into some spreadsheet software, and an XML timeline file that can be linked to video in a sports analysis application.